Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you? I hope fine. I am good. I'm great. I'm doing well. And also, welcome back to our channel. In this video, it's not a long video, a short video, but almost the outing of today. Well, first we wanted to go to 𝐿𝐵𝐵𝐺 beach, but instead we came to 𝐿𝐵𝐵𝐺 beach park. Most of the places were like a park only, and people bought all the things to do picnics. Most of the people came to do picnic. They were like making barbecues, and a lot of people were together, like many friends and families together. But we thought of going to the beach, but as we don't know the road yet, we got here. But still, we didn't stay here for much long because we wanted to go to the beach. And then that was it. None of us was feeling well. None of us was feeling well. That's why we just returned very fast. But this was the beach view. The park view was somewhere else. After that, we took some pictures there, and then we thought about going back because my Amma was sick, kinda. I also was, and Mono was also. Like, we didn't feel well, but we had some work in Sahara Center. That's why we had there. And here we are in Sahara Center. We usually come here. If you follow us, you know we usually visit this place. We came here for a lot of things like Adventureland and all, but this time my Abu had some work in here. That's why we came. We also, like, Abu was doing his work, and that time we were roaming around. We roamed around in the malls, and we just left it because then we had to head home. Like I told you, we were sick, kinda. Then there was this cool car, but then we just head home. I guess that's it for this video, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye, ma salama.